Trying to pick between Notion AI and Grammarly? Both claim to make your writing better, but which one should you trust? Today, we're breaking down how each tool works, what they're best at, and which one fits your writing style. I'm Emily, and this is AIChief. Let's compare. Step 1. Know what they're built for. Grammarly is your grammar expert. It checks spelling, tone, clarity, even plagiarism in real time. Notion AI is your creative partner. It writes from scratch, summarizes pages, and works inside your Notion docs and databases. Grammarly helps you refine. Notion AI helps you create. Step 2. Understand how they work. Grammarly works anywhere. Google Docs, email, even LinkedIn. It's perfect for editing on the go. Notion AI only works inside Notion, but once you're there, it's powerful. You can write entire blog posts, create meeting summaries, and ask it questions about your workspace content. It's built for teams, docs, wikis, and productivity. Step 3. What's best for you? If you want perfect grammar, instant suggestions, and writing help across apps, Grammarly is your go-to. If you live in Notion, need help creating content, organizing thoughts, and managing projects, Notion AI is the better choice. So what do you need more? A sharp editor or a creative assistant? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more smart AI breakdowns right here on AIChief. See you in the next one.